In critical moments, where seconds make all the difference, EMCI Wireless provides solutions that turn potential chaos into coordinated harmony. Since 1975, we've been at the forefront of connecting communities and enhancing safety. As a leading Motorola channel partner, we specialize in bringing cutting-edge communication solutions to those who need it most. From small businesses to emergency responders, our mission is clear: to help people be their best in moments that matter. Our solutions empower industries across the board, ensuring efficiency in transportation, manufacturing, healthcare, and more. At the heart of our service is a commitment to public safety. We stand with our first responders, offering reliable support during mission-critical operations. Beyond public safety, our technology extends to schools, hospitals, and government, creating a safer and more connected world. We're more than just a provider. We're a partner in your journey, dedicated to ensuring your communication needs are met with excellence. With a legacy spanning over 4 decades, EMCI Wireless remains committed to innovation, quality, and unparalleled service. Join us in our mission to connect and protect. EMCI Wireless, where innovation meets seamless connectivity to transform how you solve for safer.